At a busy event, you might get 60 seconds with someone at your booth, sometimes less. Blinq's event lead capture is built to make every one of those seconds count. Here's how it works. Someone walks up to your booth, you have a great conversation, and now it's time to capture their details. Open Blinq, scan their event badge, and their name, title, and company are pulled in seconds. Behind the scenes, Blinq runs a waterfall across 25 plus verified data providers, finding all of the details the badge left out. A headshot, job title, company email, LinkedIn, all of it. This works just as well on paper business cards and contact QR codes too. One workflow for whatever they hand you. Right after you scan, you'll see a pop-up where you can add a quick note. What did you talk about? What do you want to remember for your follow-up? And if you'd rather talk than type, there's a mic icon right there. Tap it, speak your note, done. Especially handy when the floor is busy. Then add your tags. Teams like yours usually set these up ahead of time as quick qualifiers. Things like warm, follow-up, interested, and enterprise. And best of all, these tags and notes attach to the contact and flow in real time to both the back-end Blinq portal and your company's CRM. Admins can also build a custom lead form that pops up automatically when you scan. It's tailored to exactly what your teams need to capture, and once it's set up, reps just fill it in on the floor. Now, if you want to go deeper on a conversation in person or even a phone call, this is where AI Notetaker comes in. Two ways to use it. One, if you have permission to record, hit record before or during the conversation, scan their badge or create a contact, and Blinq will automatically attach it to that contact. Two, the lead walks away, and while it's still fresh, you record yourself doing a quick debrief. What did they say? What's your next step? And you attach it to the contact after. Either way, Blinq generates an AI summary, pulls out next steps, and saves a full transcript to both the app and your company's CRM, all attached to that lead, so when it comes time to follow up, you're referencing the details you actually discussed. Lead capture also comes with a Blinq digital business card for everyone on the team, so while you're capturing their details, you can share yours just as easily. They scan your QR code or you send them a link. No app needed on their end, and it works on any phone. Blinq goes beyond scanning badges and capturing contact details. Every badge scan and card share lands in your CRM with the context of the conversation attached, so your team follows up with a real detail while the lead is still warm. Teams that follow up within an hour are 7 times more likely to land a second meeting than the ones who wait. That's why those who use Blinq turn more first meetings into real opportunities.